Hey, I'm Gordon from TentBox, and today we're going to show you how to install the living pod on your TentBox Classic 2.0. First, let's unpack and see what's inside. In the storage bag, you'll find a ground sheet, a peg bag, some camping poles for structural support, and one set of telescopic prop poles. You'll also find a holder for your LED light bar and of course the living pod itself. This will be everything you need to create a cozy sheltered space on the side of your vehicle. It's really quick and easy to set up. To get started, you'll need to identify these attachment hooks. Choose which side of the TentBox you want to use, then attach the hooks under the lip of the TentBox roof. Tighten them up so everything is nice and secure. At this point, it can be helpful to peg your living pod down to create a bit of space for you to set it up inside. Simply pull the guy ropes out, then use a mallet to place the pegs in the ground at a roughly 60-degree angle. If this is the first time you're setting up, you'll need to tie the guy ropes to the fixing point first. Now you can detach your ladder and bring it inside the living pod. One of the great things about the living pod is it shelters the ladders as well, so you can stay nice and dry when climbing in and out of the TentBox, even in the rain. Next, grab your orange camping poles and assemble them. You should end up with 2 straight poles and 1 long curved pole. Install the straight poles on either side of the living pod going through the sleeves. Then insert the curved pole in the middle through the sleeve just beneath the window. Now simply attach the poles together using the black 3-way pole connectors. You'll notice there's one slightly narrow space for the telescopic prop poles. Make sure this is pointing downwards. To help keep everything in place, you can use the Velcro straps to secure the connectors while you do this. Now extend your telescopic poles to the desired height. We recommend aiming for a straight seam, ensuring the 2 camping poles either side are at the same height. Insert each telescopic pole into the bottom of the 3-way connectors and secure them in place, making sure they stand as upright as possible. Now simply peg the guy ropes down to secure your living pod in place. Once that's done, you can peg the sides down as well. We suggest starting with the front 2 pegs and try to ensure adequate tension is applied across all the sides. Going back to the TentBox, you'll find a strap on the living pod positioned level with some buckles on the Classic 2.0. Attach this strap to the buckles and tighten them up fully to secure the living pod in place. You can now unzip and open your front door, rolling it up and out of the way while you organise the inside. You can install your ground sheet on the floor to fully protect yourself from the elements, and you also have the option to open up the back panel of your living pod to regain access to your car doors. If you want to really open up the space while still staying sheltered from light rain or the hot sun, you can enter wing mode by purchasing extra telescopic prop poles from TentBox.com. Simply unzip along the front sides and slot your additional poles through the eyelets on the front panel, securing them down with the guy ropes. As always, if you have any questions about your living pod or anything else, just reach out to our friendly team of product specialists.